There you go. Come on.
Press it now.
Let me see what you're looking at. Come over here.
Oh, it's recording.
So we're gonna throw this rock in that mud. It's not a rock. It's like a cylinder. Now, what are we recording? Put it on the scooter. You got the scooter?
The scooter.
You got it?
How you zoom in?
You don't have to zoom in on it, dude.
Pantalla, so.
I know.
Okay, whatever.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Wait.
No. You don't have to look at me. Look at the sludge. Look at the scooter. You got the scooter?
Okay, the scooter?
So I can aim at the scooter.
Okay,
there
the
you go.
scooter.
Ready? 1, 2. Oh, almost by the scooter.
You suck.
Zoom in on it now.
Where is it?
Right there, look.
Oh, it went in there.
You can come here if you want. Look, you can
How
put
you
her.
zoom in?
Let me show you. Look. Come right here. Look. Look. Come over
Ew,
here.
that's nasty. What is that?
Now, that's where it went at. Look. Oh, wow, look at it. Oh, that is nasty.
That is nasty.
Look at that. That's all that old sediment.
Sludge.
Old sediment.
That's not pollution. I don't know what it is. It looks like it's in quicksand.
And you got some water running off right there. Look.
That's just a poop. Imagine your feet walking in that. Oh, God.
Now, take a look at this. There's a nice little bridge right there. When you zoom in on the bridge, not the bridge, but there's a little man-made fall right there. Right? And then you come this way and you got the rock where when I was a kid we used to sunbathe on it. Oh, there goes the train. There goes the train. Look at the train. That's it.